Hello everybody. How are you all doing? Yes, it's your boy again, Funsha Samson. How have you guys all been? Hope you all are well. It's been a minute, and things have been happening. We've been winning left, right, and center. Glory be to God. You know how it is. So I'm back again, guys. Really, really happy to be back again. And how are you all doing? So, guys, just want to say a massive thank you before I start to all my subscribers. Those of you that have been there from day one. You guys are the real deal, and you guys have kept this channel active and still alive. I just want to say a massive thank you to you guys because I really do appreciate you for real. And if this is your first time watching any of my videos or any of my content, I would just like to say welcome on board, and we intend to keep you here for as long as you want to stay. We don't charge for rent or anything, no ground fees, no maintenance fees, nothing at all. We're happy to have you here. But if you haven't subscribed yet, this is the perfect opportunity for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Now, the notification bell gives you a quick notification whenever we drop new content, which means you'll be the first set of people to know and get first-hand information of any new content on this channel. Okay, guys, having said that, good to be back again. I'm sure that some of you might be wondering, why is he wearing sunshades and all that? It's just because the glory of God is just too much in this house. Very quickly, I'm just going to be talking about another trading platform that I have just invested in, and it's been working for me. It's just been a few days and it's been working for me, and I just wanted to quickly bring it to your attention. So for those of you that are already in my community tab, you already know that I dropped you the information immediately. I registered and I activated and I started trading. So but this is an opportunity for those of you who are not really active in the community section to also get information. Now, guys, what's this platform and who are they? What do they do? And how can you make money? How can you make profits from them as well? So before I go on, I'd like to just drop it right here that I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not giving you financial advice, because every information I give you on this content is just for educational purposes or just to carry you along my journey in the world of investment, most especially cryptocurrency investment. And having said that, please do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose, because some of them are high risk, some of them are medium risk, some of them are low risk. So, but you choose the risk that you're capable of handling. All the decision is just down to you. So you need to make your own. You need to do your own research and do your due diligence before you make that ultimate decision in making that investment. Okay, guys. Having said that, what do we have today? So today I'm just going to be telling you guys about this new platform, which is called COTP. So COTP is in the building, guys. Woo! So COTP is just simply cryptos over the counter platform, trading platform. So cryptos over the counter trading platform is here, and this is where you can get the opportunity to compete for cryptocurrency trading and cryptocurrency transactions with the help of artificial intelligence, which means, guys, that you can make as much profit as much capital you invest. So that business decision all boils down to you, like I said again. So now, the next question is, what asset can you trade on COTP? So their main and major asset, and the only asset, is USDT, and that's one of the reasons why I got interested, because when it has to do with stable coins and an asset that is equivalent to the US dollar, it gives me joy, because I've invested in some high yield investment platforms where we use cryptocurrency, and once it drops in your wallet, and obviously because the volatility of the market, the price drops, the amount you're expecting drops as well. So sometimes you lose, but if it goes up, that's the advantage. Sometimes if it goes up, then you make more money. But having said that, COTP uses USDT, which is equivalent to the dollar. However, you have to be very careful here, because the USDT operates on different networks. So there's the Ethereum network, there's the Tron network, and others. So, but specifically for COTP, you have to make sure that you're using the Tron network to send money into your back office on Cotp. So when you're making a deposit or recharging your account, make sure you use the Tron network. Okay, so that's the main reason why I actually used my my Binance wallet, because Binance is very updated and upgraded. Binance is some people see it as complicated, but it's actually good because it gives you the option to choose the specific network that you want to use in sending the money or making a transfer. So I use Binance, and then I just transfer the USDT from my Binance using the Tron network into my Cotp back office before I start transacting business. Okay, so those are the advantages of US dollar and the USDT, because it's equivalent to the dollar, and also it's a stable coin. And guess what? On Cotp, there's no gas fee because we're using the USDT, which makes me happy. So another benefit is that you can withdraw your capital and your profit at any time. So on that platform, you can withdraw your capital and you can also withdraw your profit at any time you choose. So guys, that's why I love it. So now, how do you become a member of Cotp and start trading, where it gives you the opportunity to compete for transactions with people like minds from all over the world? Okay, that's the work of Cotp platform, because it brings all of us together while we trade, even though we don't know each other. We trade and we make profit and everybody's happy. It's a win-win situation. Okay, so how do you get involved? First of all, if you haven't registered yet, if you want to, I have my link, my referral link in the description box just right below this video. You can click on the description box and you find my referral link, where you can use my invitation code to register. And once you've registered, you follow the prompt, you complete all necessary validation. You complete the you complete the ID authentication as well, and you recharge your account from your wallet. And as soon as you've done that, boom, you start trading, guys. So it is very easy. So this is just an introductory video, so I won't be showing my back office, but my next video will definitely be showing my back office, because I want you to actually see what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, so that I can give you a good idea of what's going on. And remember that on this platform, we pride ourselves with integrity and transparency. So definitely the next video might be how to make a deposit, or just to give you guys, a brief overview of what this is all about. So stay tuned and be on the lookout for the next video. So now, what is the minimum deposit before you start trading on Cotp? The minimum deposit, or the minimum capital, is 9 USDT, so which is equivalent to $9. So anything below $9 would not enable you to be eligible to trade on the platform, but anything over $9 would make you eligible to compete for trading and for any transaction. So keep that in mind. Obviously, you're not going to be sending $9 from your Binance wallet or from any wallet just for the sole of trading, because the more the capital, the more the profit. The more the capital, the quicker you make your profit. However, the higher the risk as well. So guys, all down to you to make that business decision. I don't want you sending me messages and saying, oh, Funshaw, please, how much do you think I should invest? What's your advice? This and that. You only can advise yourself. In my next video, you're going to see how much I actually invested and my strategy, and how I'm not a greedy person, and I'm very satisfied with whatever I make as long as I'm in profit. Okay, guys, so let's see. So now, next question is, how do you trade? So on Cotp, there'll be videos on how to trade, there'll be videos on how to make a deposit, there'll be videos on how to make a withdrawal, and any other videos you guys want, just leave it in the comment section, and once I see it, I'll definitely be there to do a video as soon as possible. So how do you trade? So first thing is to make sure you recharge your Cotp account, and that can be done by sending money from your Binance wallet into your Cotp back office to initiate a transaction. So next one is to click on this transaction hall. So once you've recharged, and guess what, guys? the amazing thing is when I sent my initial capital for the trading on the platform, it reflected instantly in my COTP. So that was massively quicker than I actually expected. So it wasn't like Bitcoin where it has to go through different verifications and confirmation before it reflects. So that's a very good one, positive as well. So you use your wallet balance to actually start initiating. So your wallet balance on COTP is what you use to start transaction. So once you go to your transaction hall, like I said, the trading on COTP can be done manually or automatically. The main one actually is the manual trading, where you have to visit your back office every 2 hours to initiate a new trade, because this is how it works. Let's say you've invested $500, you have initiated your first transaction, you've started competing trade with $500, and you've used everything to make a trade, and 2 hours later you're back. Let's say 2 hours 10 minutes you're back. You find out that your $500 will be back into your wallet balance, plus whatever profit it's made for you in that 2 hours. Let's say you made a profit of $3. So you find out that you have 503 in your back office wallet. So once you find it, you can go ahead and initiate a new and compete for a new transaction immediately again, by competing for a new transaction and using that 503 to compete for a new transaction. Having used that again, you come back in the next 2 hours 10 minutes and find your profit and your capital back in your balance. So you can withdraw them if you want to withdraw everything at a time, at a go, and just call it a day. But if you choose to, like what I'm doing, compounding from my account balance, I always reinvest everything, both the profit and the capital, until I get to a stage where I feel now I need to start taking out just the profit. So that's how you trade on COTP. Having said that, there's also an opportunity for you to automatically trade, where you have a robot that is trading for you, and that can be done by using a script. So there's a script that you can get and use in initiating trades for you, so you don't have to be going back there every 2 hours. So that's a lot better, and I know a lot of people who want to choose that preference. However, I decided to actually start manual trading, and I'm still manually trading every 2 hours because I just want to get used to the system before I go ahead and start requesting for a script. Just this morning, they've done a massive upgrade to the user interface on COTP, and it's very user-friendly right now. It makes the running very efficient and smooth compared to what it was before the upgrade. So that's just one thing that I observed this morning. And finally, how do you make profit? By compounding, like I've said. So you make profit by compounding. You don't have to compound, but if you choose to use that strategy as well, you can compound your profit and your initial capital to reinvest and to recompete again for transactions. So having said that, guys, that's all about this introductory video, and I hope I've been able to provide a decent amount of information for you to jump on the bandwagon if you're interested. Now, I'm not going to be influencing your decision making in any way, and I'm just here to obviously carry along with what I'm doing and how efficient it's been. Sometimes I win, sometimes I don't. But if I don't win, it's also a learning curve, so it's also a win for me. That's how I see it. My perspective is different when it comes to business. So guys, thank you guys for watching. If you have watched till the end, and this is where I call it a quit. And if you're interested, like I said, the description box is there for you. Grab the link and register. If you need any assistance, feel free to drop me a comment or a message, and I'll do my best to support you as much as I can. I know I'm very busy, so please, you have to pardon me if it takes longer than you expect. So this is where I have to say again that if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel and you're watching this video, show your boy some love. Show your boy some support by clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get first-hand information whenever Funsho Samson drops a new content. And thank you guys for watching till the end. And as usual, let's keep winning.